Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday.
I'm telling you, I got it. Come on, leave this place. Hey, Jack, you are now blocked. Come on, Konkoli. I don't know teacher on. What can I say? You're sorry, I know what.
First of all, you don't know ladies first.
Boy, again, me I don't show you fake. This how they talk you. This baby I can't give you no way. She be full package.
Obana panu wa she nose mask.
How far with the plan?
Everything is all right.
Are you sure?
He doesn't suspect a thing.
Me nim dey say what's sound tally just say wo dey concern there. I will give thing I said that at the mouth.
I don't trust him anymore. You are not the guy I knew. You've changed so much.
This time me see me do what you know.
Never they come and then they see something on my face.
Flo, are you okay?
This is the reason why the girls say have anger issues. No, when come out, me boo, me boo. You know, me boo.
Stay away from my man. I didn't come here to fight you.
When you are dealing with guys, you have to be very patient. Kerry, you have to be very patient with us. If you stress us, we go. That's how we are. Guys, that's how we are.
As long as the money is not yours, don't be expecting me to use that money to cook for you. Is the money yours?
Foolish girl.
Karen, I am your boyfriend, but for now, you are the games. So you have to stop that. I don't want him to suspect us. Do you want him to?
I don't want to.
Queen. Oh, Massa, who Jimmy my poncho back, who fame you Queen.
Aren't you called Queen?
Massa, Debbie, you are cheating.
I'm not cheating.
Who cheating?
I am not cheating.
We are paying for your mother.
Again, you're correct too. You see me, I no go show you fake.
Ministry on my account more. Me me seeking in actual offers no. Go be a Game Boy in be near titri. We need the my home. Your Game Boy we are buying to me. I'm solid beam up to now. Obo Brunino chat to Brunino to you again.